Where do ants go when it gets cold or rains? You might think they just hide under leaves, but ants have surprising survival tactics that help them thrive in bad weather. When the temperature drops or rain pours, ants don't just scatter. Instead, they retreat deep underground or into specially constructed nests. These nests have complex tunnels and chambers that protect them from flooding and cold air. Some species even seal entrances with soil or leaves to keep moisture out. This underground refuge stays warmer and drier than the surface, giving ants a safe place to wait out bad weather. Ants are highly social and cooperate to keep their homes intact. When rain threatens, worker ants patch leaks or reinforce walls using soil, leaves, and saliva. They also cluster together inside the nest to share warmth, helping the colony survive cold spells. This teamwork is key for their survival because a damaged nest could flood or become too cold for the colony. In colder climates, many ants enter a state called diapause, similar to hibernation. During this time, they slow down their bodily functions to conserve energy because food is scarce and conditions are harsh. The queen and workers stay inside the nest, barely moving until warmer weather returns. This adaptation lets the colony survive winters that could otherwise be deadly. So next time you see ants disappear, remember they're not gone, they're underground, working together and waiting out the weather. Their smart shelters and teamwork let them survive cold and rain like tiny survival experts. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.